Tacoma Rail, operated by Tacoma Public Utilities, is one of America's largest short-line railroads by revenue and volume. While the center of operations is located at the Port of Tacoma tideflats and surrounding industrial areas, the city's railroad owned and operated a mainline route known as the Mountain Division. Purchased in 1994, the Mountain Division branched south out of Tacoma City Limits, climbing up a steep grade towards Frederickson, where the majority of the line's customer base was located. The regular freight train providing service to industries on the Mountain Division was affectionately known as the Hill Job by locals, and for 3 decades was a staple of Tacoma's railroading scene. During this chilly winter morning, the Hill Job's crew can be seen spotting a rail car at James Hardie 1, one of Tacoma Rail's Frederickson customers. Once the industry switching is finished, the outbound train for Tacoma is put together and air-tested. After the crew goes to beans, the Hill Job is ready to depart Frederickson, seen here leaving town at Allred Junction. Waller Road is just a stone's throw away from Frederickson, where the railroad has rolled through Tacoma's eastern suburbs since the days of the Milwaukee Road. Service spur track provides a unique perspective of the Hill Job as the train crosses the 99th and 17th intersection. Tacoma Dome is the junction where the Mountain Division meets the Lakewood Subdivision, hosting Sounder commuter and Amtrak trains. The hill job needs to descend the 3.7% ruling grade to reach the City of Destiny, and will pass Tacoma Dome Station before reaching the tideflats. While Tacoma Rail is kept waiting, Amtrak 11 is the priority item, arriving at the T-Dome over an hour late.
With intermediate stops, passengers should proceed to track 1. Please remove any travel documents from their number and have them ready for scanning by the conductor. Thank you for choosing Amtrak.
Amtrak 11 okay to park, signal location 500 left Vancouver at 10.
Hey, there we go, clear block, over.
Clear.
Baggage is available for your destination. It is recommended you take your bags to the ticket counter. Each passenger is allowed to check.
Finally, the Coast Starlight clears up, and the hill job is given lights to come on down. Shoving in from Bullfrog Junction, the hill job reaches the end of their journey at the tideflats, the home terminal for Tacoma Rail, completing another successful journey over the Mountain Division.